Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I will show you how to use your analytic tools in your YouTube channel, that which is you can monitor what is going on to your videos, okay, to your site. So today in this video I will show you and explain to you and where to check when is your videos downloaded or videos published, so easy for you guys. Okay, today I will show you how it is. As you can see here, you will be the one to find out that which is really can see in your analytics tools, and then I will show you guys today the analytic tools that how you use and how you check your monitor each videos of your YouTube channel. So you can see from here, as I can see in my side is already have views already, then you can roll down and then you can see all from the YouTube that you want to advise or creator insider. Okay, so you can see your subscribers here, and then you can find it all here that you when they subscribe, so you can see from your analytic tools. Okay, so here you will be the one you find out that the subscribers is more and more, and then you can see the creator insiders here, your latest comment, and then here you can find it your one videos that what happening to your latest videos you download, and then your subscribers, your summary here, the views, the watch time minutes, and then you can see we go through to the analytics. We go to the analytics, as you can see from here, the views, the overview. Okay, so you here you can find it about my watch time minutes, and then the subscribers, and then my revenue. Okay, so here it will show you all your analytic tools and how you use from that, the reach and the engagement, everything you reach from where, what videos you publish, and what videos you are higher. So everyone watching your videos, you can find it here what videos published by this time, and then you here the top videos in the period is here is my top videos, and then I can find it the latest one, how many subscribers, and how it is the minutes and how watching, and you can find from this side. Okay, then you go through the video analytics, or by this video analytics you can see also, you can watch what happening. Okay, so here the current concurrent viewers, the viewers, okay, how long they watch my videos, you can see the audience retentions here. Okay, so here we can see here also your from that side the top videos, like for example the Instagram. Okay, so you can find from here, and then you can see here what is the highest. Okay, the highest watch from yesterday, and then you can go back through the analytic again from this video, and then you can see here the watch time minute. Okay, so you can see all these things in your analytic tools, then you can refresh how it is one go and so what is the going on. So you can see from here how many percent, and then you go through the subscribers, is nobody subscribers by this video, then my revenue only 17 cents. So you can see, if you go through the analytic, that which is overview all your videos from 28 days. Okay, so I go through to the advanced mode, and I show you guys that this part is okay. You can see here the blue color, which is highest my videos, and then when I was come here the green color, you can see the monitor here, the color they have using the graphic, the color coding. Okay, so you can see which color and what highest you can see from here, and you can roll down all your videos, that the impression you can monitor here in your analytic. You can monitor which part is highest and how many percent, then your estimated revenue you show here. Okay, so the impression, everything is show here, that the traffic source, like your more than what is your highest, what is your highest, the advertising. Okay, so YouTube advertising is I'm higher, so which is the YouTube help me to publish, to push, to recommend my videos. Okay, so most of my videos the YouTube company already advised or recommended to other videos. Okay, so here you can see my videos here also, and then they will find out that you can see here more. You can see from this side all your end screen, everything, the watch time revenue, all the pre-book, everything is here. You can find it, and you can see the, okay, you can notice from this side, okay, from this side you can notice that you can monitor your analytics, that which is really, you can see that, you can see for everything how it is going on. And then so you can see that August, what month, what date is my videos higher. Okay, so here we go back here to my revenue, the reach, for those who are people we reach from where. Okay, so this is my traffic type. Okay, so traffic source is my YouTube advertising. I am higher than that. And then I am very high channel pages, you can see here. Okay, is I am higher in the YouTube advertiser. You can see here the impression, the graphic, the pyramid, and then you can find it watch time. Okay, so here you, everything you can see, and then you have to check everything, single thing of your videos analytic, and then you can know what is going on, what is the traffic sources, where I am lower part, why, how come, like that. Okay, so I have found it here, the updated here, like for example, when I was going to the, like my playlist. Okay, so traffic source YouTube search my page. Okay, because I always push my videos in my page. Okay, traffic source suggested videos is here, how to, like tutorial videos. Okay, this is my highest content in my YouTube channel. So here, the WhatsApp also, because I always push in the WhatsApp with my friends, so I am higher than that. So you go back to go up, you can notice the videos here. Okay, so everyone, they're watching all my videos, and then you can go to here, this part, how many percent the traffic. You can see here from that side, the same thing at the pyramid. Okay, so you can monitor everything in your analytics, guys, that which is really you want to know what's going on your YouTube channel. Okay, so especially your YouTube videos, which is higher, where are you from, higher videos or higher content, if then you will do it more and more, that kind of videos. Okay, so you go through to the engagement. So the engagement is like for you audience, and you engage to your audience. Okay, the videos, the top videos, I am higher on these videos. Okay, the top videos by in screen is higher, also the same to the part. Okay, so how to, so that's why my content is how to tutorial. That's why, because I'm higher than that. And then okay, I can see from here my unique viewers. Then here you can see when is your viewers are on YouTube. Then whoever like blue color or darker color, that darker color, that many viewers by this time. Okay, you can upload. That's why I uploaded which time I need to upload. Then I follow the graphic there. Okay, so okay, you can see from here, and the age, gender also. You can see the age, gender, and what age they are watching your YouTube videos. Okay, so I am more than on male than the female. That's why I will always in the top in the how to content. Okay, so I am top countries is Philippines. So you can see here, you can see the category. Okay, you can see here the category, like what the country, which country I hire. Okay, all these country, they are watching my videos, so from other, you go to the other country also, most of them, they are watching my videos. Okay, so here you can see what age. Okay, the green color is higher by 18 to 24 years old. Okay, so I'm thanking to them that they are watching my videos. So age, you can see from your analytics, guys, that what age. And then if you want to publish to Google Ads, then you can see what age they are watching your videos most of the time. Then easy for you to publish and push from the YouTube ads. Okay, so you can see here what age I am highest. You can monitor here, and then you can see the view gender, female and male. So I am highest in the male. Okay, thank you so much, guys, that you are watching my videos. Okay, so here you can see from the top what okay, what month, okay, the source is here, and then you have to come to the down, and then what month every day you are coming. Okay, so this is for your sources. Then you can see my graph is line and line, blue and green. Okay, so that is what my YouTube videos or my YouTube channel, what is the monitor every day and every month. Okay, so you can see from that you already know what's going on to your videos, what's going on to your side, and then you can go up and see the subscription where is that you can monitor. Okay, so you go through here how many days also can, if you want to see for how many days only, and then you can come by that side that which is really easy for you. Okay, so you can see from here I did make what is your channel is, what's going on, you can see that. Okay, so you can make the group also or videos, the comparison. Okay, so here you can see the subscription. Okay, so most of them, they never subscribe my channel. For those who are subscribe my channel, never subscribe, please subscribe. Then makes me happy that I can appreciate myself how hard work it is to make the videos as a YouTube channel, as a YouTuber. So it's not easy for you, so please subscribe my channel, guys, and then you can come to the videos that you can see here. Okay, you can see what month I hire, and then you can make here the group or create the group. Okay, so you can create now. So I want to create now. I will try first, then I want to press all the videos here so that I have a videos group, okay, in my analytic. So here I want to make now, I want to make the title, so I want to click all these bar. I want to click so that I can make a group in my that site, in my own analytic. Okay, so it's really simple, that which is easy for you to make, and you can notice which video higher and which video are not really high. And then if you really want to make the videos that suitable for you guys, you can see what content is suit for you, and then you can focus on that, because for the very beginning you don't even know what is your content, you know, what is you try to put in your YouTube videos. Like me, for the beginning I don't know everything, so that's why when I start the how to category, the tutorial category, so I found it that I am higher videos than that, so I focus my content into tutorial. So you can see now, guys, I already make the group. Now I can see that already very good, that I have already a group. Then here you can find it that which is okay, the higher and the subscribers. Okay, so it's okay, never mind all the subscribers, thank you so much. Those who are not subscribers, thanks a lot also, but please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so guys, you can see from here that which is I really love it from the analytic tools, that when I can post the videos. Okay, you can see from here, of course you can know that when you want to post your videos, if you want to post the videos, like for example 7 to p.m. is depend your country. Okay, so each depend your country what time they are watching your videos, so they will give to me this kind of graphic. So I follow the blue color, the green, I mean the blue color, that which is really darker, so they will say very many of them they are watching by this time, so I always download what time that I follow here. Okay, so if you do want to download the many people, so nobody will watch your videos or nobody will comment like me as what I did before. So here we will find it that I found it that by this part you can already see the graphic that I have already in this unique viewers or the audience. You can see from that, guys. So I hope, guys, that you learn from me, that which is I show you how to use the analytic tools and how you manage to monitor your YouTube videos. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I love you guys. I hope that you, all the subscribers I hire is nobody, not even subscribes me yet. Please subscribe me, and then for those who are subscribed, thank you so much. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you enjoy your day. Thank you so much. Be happy, and I hope that this video can help you guys to do your own videos and your own analytic tools. Okay, Thanks a lot, and thanks a lot. As you can see, guys, again and again, please subscribe my channel. Those who are not subscribed is I have higher percent. Is a lot of people never subscribe me. Thanks a lot, but please come and subscribe to my channel, which is really help my YouTube channel, that I can improve which part I need to improve. Okay, guys, thanks a lot. Okay, so I go back again here. I can see the graphic is really nice. Okay, you can see also what this. Thanks a lot, guys. Okay, guys, see you for the next videos. As what I can see, this is my topic now is analytic tools in my site.